If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you want to batch print a set of forms like all your paychecks or all your bill payment checks, you can. You can also print mailing labels and other assorted forms in QuickBooks. To print forms in QuickBooks, select File, Print Forms from the menu bar. Then select the type of form to print from the side menu of choices that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.